In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to improve your Google Sheets design on desktop. A clean, easy-to-read sheet helps your team make faster decisions, reduces mistakes, and just feels better to work in. We'll focus on simple visual improvements that make your data clearer without overcomplicating anything. Start by organizing your data into clear sections with headers and consistent column widths. Give each table a descriptive header row, and make sure similar columns are the same width so the sheet feels balanced. You can resize columns by dragging the edge of the column letters or double-click to auto-fit. Group related columns together and leave a single blank row between sections to create breathing room without losing space. Next, use cell colors and shading to distinguish categories or sections. Stick to a subtle, consistent palette. Light grays or pastels work well so the content remains the focus. You can apply a soft fill to header rows and a different shade for totals or notes. If you prefer a quick, uniform look, try Format, then alternate colors to add an easy banded style. Keep contrast high for readability and avoid overly bright or saturated colors. Apply bold fonts and adjust text alignment for clarity. Make header text bold so labels stand out. Left-align text, right-align numbers and currency, and center short codes or status tags for tidy columns. Keep font sizes consistent across the sheet, and only use bold where it adds meaning. Add borders around tables to separate data visually. A medium outer border around each table creates a clear boundary, while light internal borders make rows and columns easy to scan. Avoid heavy grid lines everywhere. Use emphasis sparingly so key sections pop without visual clutter. Use conditional formatting to highlight important values or trends. Select your range, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and set rules like greater than a threshold for alerts, or apply a color scale to show highs and lows at a glance. Keep the colors subtle and test your rules to ensure the highlights actually help, not distract. Include charts or graphs to summarize key information. Select your data, choose Insert, then Chart, and pick a chart type that matches your story. Column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for simple proportions. Use the Customize panel to clarify titles, legends, and colors. Finally, freeze header rows or columns for easier navigation. Go to View, Freeze, and choose the top row and, if needed, the first column so labels stay visible as you scroll. And that's how you improve your Google Sheets design on desktop.